Hello everyone, we are Group K and we have worked on hotel management systems. These are my group members' names: Anurag, Akanksha, Parth, and Aryan. In this hackathon organized by Asma ma'am, we have worked on the following problem statement. Our problem statement for this hackathon was creating an application using C++ which does not tasks related to hotel management. These are some features in our application. Customers can check in and check out at flexible timings. We can search for a specific customer or we can check information about available rooms. We can also get guest summary reports which contain detail about all the guests present in the hotel. And I now will hand it over to Anurag. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. Now let us move towards our code. Here is our class where we declare class customer containing some public variables, classroom containing some variables and some functions. Now let us move towards the add function. This function is to add a room and its type, whether it is AC, non-AC, and its size and its dividend on a function. This function is used for the structure of rooms that we have that we need. A display room function. It will display the function and it display the room. It will display the room and its room and it also displays its number, AC, and its type, size, and length. Here is the class. Here we declare a class for hotel management containing some function, second function, database room function, first customer, checkout, get summary report. Now let us move towards get summary report. This function will provide us a summary report of all the customers that we have with their personal details. Now check-in function. This function allows us, the customer, to check in and entering their details such as their name, their address, their phone, etc. Now, database room function shows us the rooms that we have. Now, I will hand it over to Parth. Now he will continue. The next one. Thank you.
Thank you, Anurag. Now I will explain the rest of the code. We have a function called search customer. This will take a name as an argument and then check if it exists in the database. If it does, it will return the information about the customer. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Next, we have a function checkout, which will take a room number and calculate the amount of due by using daily rent and the advance payment. After that, it will change the status of the room to available. And line 263, we have a function called manage room. We have a method for adding a new room, which can create a room of any type that we want. Here, we also use the search room function if required by the user when managing rooms. In line 320, over here, we have a main function. We create an object of class hotel management and declare various variables to be used. We then enclose all of the above functions in a do-while loop to create a menu in the output. I will now hand it over to Aryan.
Thank you, Parth. I will now explain the working of our project. This software can be used in any hotel and we just have to customize it accordingly. For example, let's say a hotel has 2 rooms, so let's add them. The room number will be 101 and let's say it has AC and it is a queen size room. So the daily rent would be 5,000. Let's add the other room. Its room number would be 102, and let's say it doesn't have an AC and its price is double. So the rent would be 3,000. As you can see, the room has been added successfully. Let's say a customer walks in. We can check the available room, and as you can see, the 2 rooms are unbooked. So let's say the customer wants to check in at room 101. So we just have to enter a few details like the room number, name, advance payment, etc. As you can see, the customer has checked in successfully. So let's say another customer walks in, and now if they check the available room, we can see that only one room is present. So even if they try to check in at room 101, the system wouldn't allow them, as shown here. So let's say they check in at 102. Similar to before, we will enter the details. Now, the second customer has also checked in successfully. Now if we look at the available rooms, we can see that all of them have been booked. We can search for any customer we want. For example, if we enter their first name, the room number will show up. But if we enter a name which doesn't exist, the system will throw an error, as shown. We can also look at the guest summary report. As you can see, the details of all the customers present in the hotel are shown. Now let's say someone wants to check out from room 101. We just have to enter the number of days, and the system will automatically calculate the amount that is due based on the daily rent and the advance that was paid. Now if we look at available rooms, we can see that 101 is available. Now I will hand it over to Akanksha for the conclusion.
So, we have some advantages and disadvantages. Firstly, we see advantages of hotel management system. First, software can be used for every type of hotel with slight modification. Second is, check-out dates are flexible and cost is calculated automatically. There are little bit disadvantages. Software is not integrated with the database, and second one is it is not accessible as website. So we have a conclusion that we have created this proof of concept application during the hackathon. In the future, this idea can be applied to make a GUI or website connected to a database and can be used for management in the real world. So, thanks for watching our hotel management system video.